Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. I'm giving y'all another strategy how I trade the Forex market. Once again, this is USD versus Japan. Now you see that I built this trend line right here, guys. That you see it was going up, 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 and then when the test the market a little bit, go down, and then it went all the way down right here, guys. So I built another trend line right here, and that you can see is riding it up. And it tested the market, but it want to go back up. And you see this needle right here, meaning that is I believe we're gonna hit this trend line right here again. And I'm just testing some things out, guys, as you can see, and you can see, I'm only betting 30 cent point. I'm up 10 points already, guys, but if I was betting, $10 a point, right? I'll be up $100 right there, guys. So I'm just testing some of my strategies that I know that I will use in the future. But I will increase this price up very high because I believe I can get at least 20 points, guys. The 20 points is like 200 bucks real quick. All right, guys, look, quick little video for you guys on the second strategy I use. I draw my trend lines that you can see. My second trend line right here that you can see. And I see it tested the market, went down. Now it's going back up, guys. And I believe it'll get to right here because it tested it many times that you can see right here. So that would be maybe like 30 points right there. And then I'll stop the trade, guys. All right, peace.